Hello guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. And today I would like to discuss about another topic. It's still related to JavaScript, of course. And the topic itself, it's basically, you know, it's called class, right? So essentially I'm going to teach you guys how to create a class or how to declare a class, and yeah, and then pretty much how to extend class and so on. And I will show you what like all this thing that I only said they mean. And yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. And yeah, let's jump into that, I guess. Okay, first of all, class, right? In order to define a class, we have to type the word class and then the actual name of the class. For instance, I would like to create a class that call aircraft. You know, guys, I didn't tell you, I guess I'm a big fan of aircraft. Aircraft. And then curly braces. So guys, that's how you initially define in the class. You have to do it if you would like to work with classes. So you can see, like, yeah, pretty much instead of function you use class, then name, no brackets, and then the body. Cool. So, and then guys, it's important to mention that class should contain method which is called constructor. So, and the thing is, you can define only one constructor per class. So, the constructor method is a special method for creating and initializing an object created with a class, essentially. And as I mentioned, there can be only one constructor. Yeah, that's how it is. I mean, one constructor per class. So if you try to create more than one constructor, that you will come up with a syntax error. So don't do that. Cool, guys. So now what I'm planning to do, I'm planning to say I'm going to extend this class, right? I'm going to say new aircraft and brackets. It looks like a kind of function, right? But it's a functional declaration of class. The idea is it's already this function, or this class declared class, sorry, it's referenced or hoisted, right? Because this is the initial declaration of this class, and this is kind of a new instance. So guys, and now what I would like to do, first of all, I would like to say const aircraft and I can store the actual class in variable. So now I would like to say DC-10. I like this aircraft. Then when it was first flown in 1970, and then when it was built, USA. So guys, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to define the actual parameters: model, year, and country. And I guess you already guessed, right? So essentially all this value is going to pass to here as a parameters. So, and now I'm going to say this dot model. That's how you assign values to the class, right? Essentially. So it's a official pattern. This dot year, then this dot what is it, country, I guess, and country. So, and now here, guys, I would like to console.logout. I would like to log out, and I'm going to use template literals. As you remember already, I'm sure like you guys know, because we discussed multiple times about this. This dot, okay, I'm just going to copy and paste in order to save some time. So you can see, right, that I'm just going to log out all these details, all these values. So yeah, nothing special about here, about this one so far, but still that's how you're doing this stuff. So then, guys, essentially now if I already would like to console.log, so I don't even need, I guess, this one. Okay, let's just comment for now. I just would like to see what's going on here in the actual class, right? So let's just log out it. So you can see, guys, I already passed all these values or store all these values in the class, and now if you just run it, so essentially this class that was instantiated, that's the actual class, right? That's what stuff that it contains. Pretty important stuff, guys. So what else? Okay, what else, guys? I would like to show you. I'm going to create a method. Show aircraft. Come on, Dimitri. Producer name. So essentially it's a method of the class, right? Nothing special about that, but still you can do that. It's important to know that you can do that. And now the nice part is, because essentially this is the extension of the class, or this is the actual class, right? We assigning this like new class or instance of this class to this variable, and now we can say aircraft dot, and you just can straight away just call these methods, right? Which is awesome. This part I really like. So cool. You can say, by the way, one more thing, I would like to define one more aircraft. I would like to say A320. Guys, hope you know these aircrafts. I'm a big fan of these aircrafts, and it was produced in France. Actually, it was a cooperation of France, Germany, and all the major European countries. But still, anyway, France, because I heard a lot about France. And yeah, so now what I would like to do, again, I instantiated and I'm calling this method, and a method I would like to say Boeing, which is the company that created DC-10, and then aircraft dot, and then it's going to be Airbus, right, that created A320. So guys, and here I'm going to say, I'm just going to console.log, and I'm going to console company name. Pretty much it. So we're almost done, and now I would like to run it. Cool stuff, guys. So you can see again, I log out company names, which is I'm calling these functions, right? You can see, and then essentially I'm calling the actual variable where class was assigned before, right? Which is still contains DC10, all these values that were, passed to constructor before. And pretty much it, guys. Look, nothing special about that, but still that's how you're creating classes. That's how you can call class methods and methods. So essentially it looks exactly like a function, right? But still, I mean, that's what you have to do if you would like to work with classes. I hope you guys like it. Yeah, and one more thing, guys. I always recommend this source, which is MDN website. So this is like, it's supported by Mozilla, and you can find all the latest stuff. And in general, like if you would like to find like the source where you can, read all the stuff about functionality of JavaScript from basics to advanced level, just go here. And I would recommend you just go and search like information about classes, right? And guys, it's more to that, what I told you or what I described, I just scratched the surface. It's a lot of stuff to that, and to be honest with you, it's not enough to have just one tutorial about classes, but at least now you're familiar with how to define class, how to instantiate the class. It's important stuff to understand, to know, and also how to to work with the properties of class, right? Like how to call class methods and so on. So I hope you guys like it. Please, once again, please like this video if you think it was useful for you. And again, if you follow me and watching tutorials on a daily basis, please guys, subscribe, support my work. I'm really passionate about what I'm doing, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.